So I gave my kids the Rotary phone challenge today. Hilarious. Because they didn't even know it was a phone at first. First is Legacy, the youngest. She probably the one that knows how to do it, but she would act like she don't just for entertainment.
4, 2, 5.
Next up is my baby boy, the U. He is hilarious. Right when his finger bent, I knew he was thinking, what the F, why the F, and who gives a F?
3, 4, 4.
But let me entertain my pops.
Yeah, I can't remember.
4.
Last but not least is Mr. Nichols. No tolerance.
Is it my phone now?
Yeah. He's already overridden, frustrated, but I keep asking him to see how long I keep the video going.
How you supposed to do this? Let's twist it.
Huh?
How you supposed to do this?
You say what?
How you supposed to do this?
That's what I'm trying to see if you knew what to do.
No, I never been this type of phone before.
Exactly what I thought. She knew how to do it, but she acted like she didn't just for entertainment. Now she's teaching him when it's time. I love him. It's hilarious, especially when you know your kids. Quick question. How good would your kids do in this challenge? Let's see.